Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, but first, thank you for our friends from in this department for coming here. We are from Group 1. We want to explain our assignment about the research. I mean the lesson plan that we have designed before. We use method Azure and will be explained by my friends here. But first, I will give it by Faith.
Okay, so this is the Azure model our group made. Has the team is teman satu salah Barat for grade 12, so they want to award. They sent 12 grade students to join a SIP program in Australia Senior High School. This is the Azure model, so we will explain the acronym ASSURE, and they will be there for months. And the explanation will be delivered by Rosena. Rosena, please.
Thank you for the opportunity. Now we'll explain about the Azure model that we already designed. And the first is analyzing learners as the AE for the Azure. In this section, we analyze 12 Indonesian students who will do student exchanges to Australia for 3 months. And we carry out learning activities, extracurricular activities, introduction to the Indonesian culture, Australia, and social activities with the local citizens in Australia. The reason that we already designed to analyze the learners' needs is one topic that we want them to learn, and then the specific topic that we are planning for them to study or to learn, and then what is the purpose or goal in this design learning, and then have them got an experience before, like we study English for the exchange student, and then there is how long that this time needed, how long is the time needed to complete this design planning, and then the last is have the learners got any kind of skill in speaking. That's all the lessons that we need to analyze from the learners. And then there is a S for the state standard. And now, as state standards and objective. General objective in this design planning is enhancing the ability to speak or interact with local citizens, which is in Australia high school level. And then the specific purpose is introduce and practice English vocabulary and expressions that are useful in everyday life. Of course, while they are living their life in Australia, while they are doing the student exchange. And then there is the SGA, select strategies, technology, media, and materials. In this section, the course will be held offline. The learning activities design the strategies for providing media and materials by paying attention to the audience learning methods, which is the audience learning style, design interactive instruction, which is we use YouTube as a media, and then we also design a project-based learning, and then there is design active learning, which is will be held by like a role play, which is among the students. And then the media and materials that we conduct for them to use is, of course, like worksheet that we already designed, and then YouTube videos. We use YouTube as a medium for them, which is they watch the video, and then after that we will analyze how far they understand about how far they can understand or cover the speaking skills. And then there is EU, which is for utilize technology, media, and materials. The technology that we use online platforms for language such as YouTube and website, virtual tours, and communication with local Australians. The media that we use is educational videos and podcasts, and Australian news channels that we will give to them. And then after that we will analyze how they understand about the communication or speaking based on the media that we already give to them. And then there is the R that for required learner participants. This section there is will be application that is EM or classroom learning, which is conduct interactive lesson with discussion, presentation, and debate on various topics related to Australia and EU. We are not going far to take any topic like America or Japan or any others, but we only focus with Australia and Indonesia. That is our focus for the student which will do a student exchange to Australia. And then the extracurricular activities is engage train the skills and speaking. And then there is a last and E, evaluate and revise. In this section, while the ongoing assessment, we use quizzes or assignments and participants' logs to regularly evaluate student progress. So by this methodology, we would like to know how far they understand about the material that we already decided for them. And then the revision is this based on the feedback and assessment. We make adjustments to curriculum, improve coastal management strategies, and refine cultural activities to better meet goals of the program, enhance student experience. And regularly update teaching materials and technological tools to keep the content relevant and engaging.
So this is the timetable that we put, as you can see, this reading, the studying activity, and this rolled out. We have a break time of leaving of this 100 minutes, and then reading activity, and we scroll down a couple of exercise because we want to go. Yeah. Next, we move as the game to refresh our brain, and because game is interactive learning, we have reflection and repetition and pausing. In the action model, we put the worksheet, and as you can see, the worksheet is about the playful and exercise puzzle, like that. And the conventional game we put is like playing with vocabulary, like somebody say maybe term, noun, objective, verb, and it will continue by as a person we said until someone is cannot say anything. So this is how we exercise and learning fast English as the action model right there. I think that's all about the process that we have, and we will invite the interviewer or reviewer to give them suggestion and comments.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. For the first, I introduce myself. My name is Desi Barani. I'm from English Education Class F. So I will give some review for your lesson plan. So in here I have 3 points. I will deliver 3 points that I study here. For the first, maybe the material. If your goals to senior high school grade 12, you must look for the material class grade 12. For example, material procedure text or narrative text, something like that. In your lesson text, that's not material. But you still put the media like YouTube, video or PowerPoint maybe. Yes. For the first is material. The second one, can I see for the worksheet? In worksheet, you give about the vocabulary one, right? But you don't give the explanation about the vocabulary. Kayak langsung ke soal, tapi penjelasannya nggak ada gitu. Dan soal dari ini for the exercise is not suitable for grade 12. It's like for primary school. Maybe that's all for the worksheet. And the last one, I have assessment rutin penilaian. You don't put the rutin penilaian juga ya kan? Jadi misalnya ada soal 5 soal tuh, misalnya soal pertama, that's apa artinya gitu kan? Kalau misalnya dia benar, berapa poinnya? Poin yang didapat dari nomor 1, 2, 3, 4 sampai 5 itu berapa? Dan kalau kesalahannya juga ada, misalnya dia salah nulis, typo gitu, itu juga ada penilaiannya. Dia mau nulis benar tapi dia salah tulis. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you guys for your attention and comment. I think that's all about our explanation. Yeah. Once again, thank you for coming here. Thank you.